Okay, sir.
Central part of Africa, the country called Zambia. Zambia.
Maso, kaya masumba, sir.
Yeah, so I am here working as a missionary.
Okay.
At the same time,
Okay.
I am married to a queen called by the name of Pastor Sarah.
Wow, sana all. Sana all, sir. Sana all. Katawa-katawa kami dito.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
For introduce yourself.
Together we shall discuss more.
Ay, ano naman dyan? Ano naman dyan? Hindi, ano naman dyan?
Chola.